Wow. Good morning. How is my beautifuls? I'm actually using the same mic the GoPro was using, so I don't understand why it sounds slightly different. Go on your line, that's it. I don't understand why it sounds slightly different to what it's supposed to. It might be to do with the processor in the phone or something, or maybe it's the quality in which the audio records at or renders at. So this is my last shift now. I've done 5 shifts. Well, after today it's going to be another busy one. I've had a busy one all fucking week. So is my colleague on night shift, so it's been mental. Can't wait for it to be over with. And we're going to fucking handhold everyone to fill in forms now. It's fucking ridiculous. So basically we get these delivery request forms through, which basically just say what's coming in to the fucking building, right? And then we issue them an ID to get in. So normally I don't talk much about my oh god, this is like some Final Destination shit here. To get into the building, because obviously it's like military grade there. You know, you're going to have a reason to be in there. The delivery is that part of the reason being there. So we can accept deliveries on the basis of, you know, the item may be needed further down the line on an access request, which is harder to get if the information is wrong. However, they can't even get a fucking delivery form filled in correctly. It's an absolute fucking joke. And it's not just for the one ticket that we had the issue for, it was 5 fucking tickets that we had problems with, and I managed to keep on top of it. They were trying to get access yesterday, but I was like, look, you ain't getting access if you haven't even filled out the delivery request and guaranteed the arrival of the delivery, like. And then one of the fuckers, right, started getting arsey with me. Now this got my back up big time, right? Because I sent the information, basically they sent information with numbers. So like, you know when you, like in Tesco's, you have the ID numbers attached to all the products. Well, you just sent a bunch of fucking numbers to me. Now I don't work for fucking that company. So how the fuck am I supposed to know what 1008 fucking 2 whatever the fuck it was means? So I'm like, right, okay, alright then, in fairness, she put up at top one chassis and like another server and that, but she didn't put what it was next to it. I was like, look, you're gonna need to explain that. I ain't psychic, like, it's an absolute joke. And she was like, oh, this should have been sorted ages ago. We messaged you in all day today. And it was like, have you fucked, right? I've been messaging every 20 minutes, yeah? Replied every single 20 minutes, yeah? Requesting information to get a fucking ticket sorted. It took them an hour to tell me what the actual fucking description was. Somehow I got 3 bars again when I had 1 bar there yesterday. I was supposed to get petrol today. Yeah, that's the people I deal with. I mean, it might not sound like much to you because it's just sorting out emails, but it is, because obviously I got other shit to do in work at the same time, as well as hosting. So, and obviously a lot of that's changing at the moment, so I've been given more duties. Finally they cut that piece of shit grass. Right, sorry for the wind noise, guys. I'm gonna have to pop my lid. I can't fucking see anything. Oh fucking hell, that's windy on the eyeballs. It's weirdly nice. It's like it was shit weather, but and it's changed. Rolling, rolling, rolling. I see you in my blind spot. Oh yes, look at that. Wow. Shame I didn't get his fucking number plate. He blatantly run that red light. Right, anyways, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.